Hey everybody, LNA Little Flowers here, and I'm going to do another envelope mini tutorial. Going to do kind of the same thing that I did before, but try and break it down a little bit better so it's easier to follow, hopefully. Fingers crossed. Okay, so what you need is some envelopes. I found these. I don't have many left, so use these up. So I'm going to take 2 of them, and one of them I'm going to take the flap and turn it backwards, like so. So the backwards one, the regular one, I'm going to glue their flaps together. Okay, so I will do that right now. Okay. So what you should be left with is that, like the beginning of an envelope right here, the flaps that are glued together, and then the back of an envelope right here, and then see, here's the front of it. Okay. In this middle flap, you're going to cut in the middle. You can either trim this down, which I think I will, throw away, and cut in the middle. So these go back and forth like that. Okay. Okay, I take a page of 65-pound weight cardstock, and I don't want, these 2 flaps are going to be pockets, and I don't want the pocket to be out here. I want it to be inside. So just going to take this up to the fold, and so I'll just mark it inside like that, and then I will cut right here. Okay, see, there it is. Okay. And these pockets, they don't have to be hard. What I like to do is I like to score 1/2 inch. All right. Okay. So there is a 1/2 inch scored. Fold that. Okay, make sure the score is on the outside, so it lines up. And then how big do you want your pocket to be? I like mine to overlap a little bit, so I will go right here. Now I'm not going to cut here, I'm going to score. So as far as giving you a measurement, it's however big you want your pocket to be. And just pick a number up here. I picked 6 and then kind of line that up. And then fold. Okay. I am going to cut this right so it lines up just inside this fold, right here. Okay. So I'm going to cut, sorry, I'm missing a nail right there. Okay. So you have half a pocket right here. And then it'll slip on like that. So let's glue this down. You know, I think I'm going to trim these down just a little bit more. They don't need to be that big. If you want them that big, you can have them that big. Okay. Then put a little glue right here. A little glue right there. And line it up so you glue it right. You don't want ski-wonky pockets. And then you have a pocket right there. I'll do the same thing for the other side. So I'll just do this. Don't say a word. You just follow along and make your own notes. These pockets do not have to be the same height. They can be whatever size you want. So there is how I make the 2 pockets in the middle. And then you can just cover up this part. You can use the same color paper, or you can put pattern paper down, or you can put this paper and then pattern paper on top of that. That's what I like to do to give it some extra thickness. Okay, and when you glue this down, let's see, did I do that right? Yeah, it's on the outside. Will this work on the outside too? Okay, so you'll cut one for the inside, one for the outside. When you do the outside one, you're going to glue here, 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 and here, but not here. So to make sure I don't do that,
make sure that I get all the edges. I only need 3.
okay. So then I will cover this up real quick. This one is okay to glue, have a bead of glue right there. Glue right here so that your pocket can go all the way down. Did I not do that? I did not do that right. Sorry. All right. I'm talking, my brain's not thinking. Normal occurrence for me. Okay. So there we have a couple of pockets. And then, if you want to, you can cut it before, but you want to be able to have pockets. So you just take a sliver off. And there you have pocket. So, oh, fold it the wrong way. Okay, and then when you go to stick it on your binding, then this is what you'll stick on. And it will slip right nice in there. Thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching. Hope this one was a little bit easier to follow along. Take some pictures and let me know what you've come up with. And if you like this video, click that like button and subscribe. And as always, happy crafting.